A 1.7 million square foot modification center, adjacent to Michigan Assembly Plant, will offer Bronco 2 and 4-door model customizations including safari bar, roof racks, exterior graphic packages, and additional accessories as more are added to the catalog. Production of the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco is underway at the Michigan Assembly Plant. The 2-door and first-ever 4-door models are now on their way to Ford dealerships across America. Ford has invested $750 million and added approximately 2,700 direct jobs at the Michigan Assembly Plant to build the 6th-generation Bronco. The Bronco is back and ready for adventure. After 25 years, the built wild and always 4x4 SUV is rolling off the line at the Michigan Assembly Plant, which underwent a $750 million upgrade and added 2,700 jobs to get the job done. The all-new 2-door and first-ever 4-door Bronco models are now on the way to Ford dealerships nationwide. Outdoor enthusiasts are more than ready. More than 125,000 Broncos orders have been placed, with a total of more than 190,000 reservations in the US and Canada to date. Plus, Bronco Nation debates are already fiery and Bronco Rodeo off-road adventure playgrounds are ready to roll. As the flagship and icon of the Bronco brand, Ford's new outdoor brand of built wild and only 4x4 vehicles, the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco is ready for adventure. Built with rugged durability, this vehicle has the confidence to go over any type of terrain. Several different models are available and are designed around different types of adventure, with the base model starting at $29,995. Now the Ford Bronco is back home rolling off the line at Michigan Assembly Plant. The all-new 6th-generation 2021 Bronco 2-door and first-ever Bronco 4-door model are being shipped to dealers and then to customers who started their journey with a reservation last summer. Ford is committed to building in America and assembles more vehicles in the United States than any other automaker. The largest employer of U.S. hourly auto workers, Ford has added approximately 2,700 jobs at Michigan Assembly Plant to build as many vehicles as possible, bringing total employment to approximately 4,900 people. The Modification Center is a 1.7 million square foot facility formerly the Wayne Assembly Plant right next door to Michigan Assembly Plant. Bronco customers will be able to opt into modifications including roof racks, a front bumper safari bar and exterior graphic packages, just to name a few, which will be factory installed at the Modification Center. Bronco owners can also choose from an extensive lineup of more than 200 factory-backed accessories added at the dealership for maximum personalization. The modular design of the Bronco allows for a vehicle as unique as each customer.